Now, how can we actually speed up our Squarespace website? So the thing that we can do, which is the easiest and will cause our website to speed up, is actually changing the format of our pictures or images on our website. Now, for example, here I'm going to click on edit. I'll add a block, I'll add an image, and I'll click on edit here, add image, upload file, and I'll just add an image from my desktop, which is going to be this one. Now, this one is a JPEG. So it is a JPEG and the file size is small. Now, what can we actually do? So for example, I'll open up this image in an editor. And if I save this image as a PNG file, and I save it here as a PNG, and this is going to be a bigger size compared to my JPEG file. As you can see, the PNG itself is going to be nearly a megabyte, and this one is 100 kilobytes. Now, that's what we can do. So we can convert our images to JPEG format instead of PNG, and that's going to speed up our Squarespace website. And another thing that we can actually do is remove any GIFs and change the GIFs to still images if you have any GIFs playing on your Squarespace website. This will dramatically improve your Squarespace website speed as well. I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.